friends, my name is Akshaya. Today I have got a new topic about health sector initiations of Telangana state. Telangana government introduced some of the programs related to health such as first one Kanti Velugu, second one Basti Dawakhana, third one health and wellness centers, fourth one Telangana Vaidya Vidhana Parishad hospitals as TVVP, fifth one Ayush, sixth one Aarogyasri Healthcare Trust, seventh one KCR Kit. Let me explain all of them one by one. First one Kanti Velugu. The main aim of Kanti Velugu program introduced by state is to make blindness free Telangana by providing glasses and cataract surgery facilities to the Telangana people. This is Kanti Velugu. Second one Basti Dawakhana. Basti Dawakana are located in the areas of urban slum to provide them good health services. In Telangana, there are 104 Basti Dawakhana centers. One center can offer health services to 5,000 to 10,000 population. So this is Basti Dawakhana. Third one, health and wellness centers. These centers will offer healthcare services even for non-communicable diseases, maternal and child health services, and they also facilitate drugs and diagnostic services at free of cost. Government transferred 636 PHCs, 86 sub-centers, 104 Basti Dawakhana, 227 health and wellness centers. This is third one. Next, fourth one, Telangana Vaidya Vidhana Parishad as TVVP hospitals. 107 TVVP hospitals offers maternity and child healthcare services along with general surgeries, ophthalmology, pediatrics, orthopedics, dermatology and ENT etc. services. Fifth one Ayush. Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani and Homeopathy. The government of Telangana and National Ayush Mission as NAM are promoting the use of Ayush system of medicines. Currently, Ayush department is maintaining 860 dispensaries and institutions. Next, sixth one, Aarogyasri Healthcare Trust. Aarogyasri scheme as AS is the health insurance scheme for the families which are under below poverty line, which was introduced by Aarogyasri Healthcare Trust. Seventh one, KCR Kit. On June 2nd, 2017, Telangana government introduced KCR Kit program for the pregnant women. Through this program, pregnant women who are under below poverty line are provided KCR Kit along with rupees 12,000 for male child and rupees 13,000 for female child because of wage loss. Let's rewind once again all the welfare schemes of Telangana. Kanti Velugu, Basti Dawakana, health and wellness centers, Telangana Vaidya Vidhana Parishad hospitals as TVVP, Ayush, Aarogyasri Healthcare Trust, next KCR Kit. So finally, these are the welfare schemes in the Telangana state which are helpful for people of Telangana. So this is about the health status initiatives of Telangana state. I'll meet you in the next video with a new interesting topic, and please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.